So little life update. Today we're going to be spontaneous. We found a motorcycle for sale. We've been wanting a motorcycle for a while because we want to be able to exploring the small towns, doing some scouting, additional adventures. And it's really hard to do that in the EarthRoamer because it's so big. It is sometimes hard to park it. Plus, once we find a camp, especially in the busy weekends, we're noticing that if we leave the camp, we're not going to get it again. So we're going to head 3 hours north towards Avon, Colorado, and see if we could make some of these deals happen and get that set up.
Oh my God, sheep! Look at them go! Go, sheepy, go! Oh my God, it looks like a mom and a baby.
Yeah, did not realize there was sheep on this road.
Oh my God.
I know why
they're so cute. Oh look, there's a herd.
Herd of sheep.
Oh, go sheepy. Oh my God, that was the best. If this place couldn't get more beautiful. This is definitely the prettiest place I think we've been so far.
Yeah, the aspens are unbelievably huge here.
Kind of sad we're leaving.
I know. Well, we will come back in a couple days, hopefully. Seems like there's a lot of places to find camps, so we might be okay.
Hands down, our favorite stretch of driving.
Yeah. We had driven up over Kepler Pass, which is this beautiful dirt kind of pass over the mountains, all the way up to Glenwood Springs, where we had found a motorcycle shop, ran inside, grabbed a helmet, and on my way out, I noticed they had the exact bike we were looking for. It was a brand new one. It was a pretty good price.
So Jacob calls me, he goes, they have the exact bike. Should we just get it new? The price isn't that different. So I ran to the store.
And we looked at the bike, so we did some
bike.
Yeah, we did some negotiation and we bought a bike. And
it's crazy. I feel like we had talked about doing this like maybe like a year from now, but everything just kind of like worked out, and maybe we're more spontaneous than I think that we are as people, which is probably true. How many years has it been since you rode a motorcycle?
2017, 16, 17.
17, so 8 years.
Yeah, but that stuff sticks with you.
I've never been on a motorcycle, never driven one, never been on the back of one. So this truly was a spontaneous purchase, given the fact that I have zero experience, but I feel like I'm about to get a lot more.
It should be fun. So last night we got to this amazing camp. We had driven 3 hours back from Glenwood Springs, Colorado after picking up the bike, and we couldn't find a camp. So we were searching late last night, and we didn't have good lighting because the bike blocks the headlights and the light bar, which we expected, so we'll have to do that later. But we pulled down this dirt road, saw some people camping. People walked up to me and said, hey, there's actually this hidden camp behind us. Do you guys want to take it? No one's there. And we were like, absolutely, you guys are a lifesaver. And so we pulled in this amazing camp and woke up to find ourselves in a field of wildflowers. The whole purpose of this is we take the bike off to go scout camps. However, last night at the dealership when we got it, we spent an extra hour and a half there with the whole team after they closed trying to rig this up. So the main reason is we found a very crappy temporary rack on Facebook Marketplace that we talked them down luckily because it's rusted, bent up, and the ramp to get up onto it is so bent that it barely took the bike up. This is really just to get us through the next 3 days till we're at our friend's place. We've shipped a replacement rack to them that is beefier, can hold a little bit more weight, and that will be our temporary rack until we get the full rack we want to buy, which is Pack Mule, rack number 3, shipped to our place back in Oregon. But right now it's on, it's sturdy, but this rack's just so flimsy that I didn't want to take it off, mess with it. Plus the way we got it to sit, we had to take a bunch of these pins off to get it to sit lower. So it's just easier to let be for a couple days, and then we'll take it off at our friend's place, pull this rack, build the new one, and we'll be good to go. We need to get you your license so you can get on the insurance so you can actually ride this on the road. So we noticed once we put the bike on the front that it does block some of the view, specifically the driver's side headlight and the full light bar and a little bit or a bit of the fog lights. We have a plan when we're back at EarthRoamer in September to put a low profile light bar on the roof.
Because the bike is sitting, it's like facing my direction, I'm getting the majority of like the handlebars in my view, which the other night when we were driving at nighttime, It was so distracting because the light bar was like lighting up the bike and I couldn't see anything around. It was just what was in front of me, and it made me crazy, like only being able to see that right in front of me, not being able to see anything around the road. Daytime, it's much better, but I think once we find a solution to get those mirrors to be like collapsible instead of like little rabbit ear antennas sticking up right in the middle of our view, that's going to be a big game changer for our vision, being able to see out.
When we were looking at this, in the rally version. I'm very glad we didn't go with the rally because it sits up a bit higher and has a big windshield and would have completely blocked our vision.
But we are going to get a new rack, and we have no idea how that's going to sit on the next rack too, and the one after that, rack number 3 that we have planned. So all just a
experiment. Yeah. So we got here and we enlisted help of our friends to get the bike off. It almost fell, but we got down the sketchy ramp, and that was the last time we're using that ramp. Ordered this heavy duty one from Amazon and we're going to assemble it. One thing I forgot to check on the rack was the weight on it, and it's 135 pounds. The bike's close to 330. Weight rating on the hitch is about 500. So we're pretty close to the limit of the hitch, but we're not really planning to do any serious off-roading on the drive back. So we should be okay until we get the new rack setup, which is about 64 pounds.
We bought some padded gear. It's heavy. I like the color.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's big. It's loose enough that I could put a sweater under it.
Yeah.
I think. Look at me, all geared up for a sport I don't know how to do. I have no idea where we're gonna put all of this gear. We did not pack with giant padded jackets in mind for the EarthRoamer. These seem to fit great.
Do you want to hold the bikes or take the strap off?
Honestly, I'd probably take the straps off.
Okay, let's have you do that. You know how these work, right?
I mean, in theory. Okay, I don't know how they work. I'm watching you do it right now.
All right, so what you do is you're gonna pull this, the release. They both have one. And you're gonna have to come all the way down with it. You like pull it up, it's gonna pop.
Whoa.
It's okay, the back's on. And then you're just gonna pull it out. You need to pop it up, like lean it up, or turn it on.
Oh, yeah, it has to be like
up off the kickstand.
So I have to.
Yep.
Okay, can you stand?
Yeah.
Because I don't know how strong I am, and this is heavy, and I need you to be like ready to catch it at any given time.
There you go.
Oh.
Good job.
Oh God, it's really heavy.
Yeah. There you go. Good job. Turn the handlebar straight. Might make your life a little easier. Kick the kickstand up.
Okay.
So clutch is the left lever. So it's in gear.
What?
That's the clutch. So you have to pull that in since it's in gear.
Okay, all the way?
All the way. And then don't let it go.
Okay.
So this means it could start. If it's in this position, this means it's killed. It's off. So once it's here, then turn the key to on.
Is it gonna scare me when I do this?
No.
Is it gonna like room?
There you go. And you're gonna use your right foot and you're gonna pop this up one gear.
Okay, you're holding onto it right now?
Okay. So now you can release the clutch.
Oh, good.
When you release the clutch, always go slow.
Oh, that's why. I just like,
no.
Woo. This whole dirt bike look is a little bit more adventurous than I typically dress. I'm much more of like a pearl earrings type of person.
Let's see if you can get it vertical.
Okay, this is my biggest fear is that it's gonna fall on me. So are you gonna, can you help me and be ready to?
After you popped it up, hold the brake lever.
Okay.
There you go. Yep.
Okay.
There you go.
Here I am. I am not fine. Look at me.
Well, no, you'll get it over.
Yeah, but what if I have to stop?
Now, if you want to ride it, you would put it in gear. Do you want to actually try to ride it?
I want to, but I'm scared. I'm so scared. And then like what happens when I want to brake and I can't, I'm not coordinated enough to like get myself back in this thigh position, and then I'm stuck and the bike falls on me.
Yeah, I get that. I'll hold you. And you're going to tap that down one gear. What you're going to do is you're going to slowly release the clutch. You're going to spin that up slightly. Yep. There you go. Keep going. You haven't ripped it all. You go backwards.
Yep. Oh, okay.
There you go. See, you're rolling.
Okay.
There you go. All right.
Now what?
All right. Now you're going to brake with the right.
This one?
Yep. And pull the clutch back in. See, hear the bike, how the bike started to die.
No, I feel like that was enough lesson for today.
Okay, great, good job. Just lean out over, there you go. Holding it, there you go. Perfect,
All right,
and then throw the
kickstand.
kickstand down. Good job, there you go.
First lesson done, didn't do much. I feel like that's my max amount of memory. This is a lot more complicated than I ever expected it to be, since I've never driven a manual car and never been on a bike before. So I think we're just gonna have to keep going like 5 minutes at a time, keep practicing until I can get some lessons and learn how to move forward on my own. So much easier for you when you're a foot taller than me.
You want to go on the road or anything?